Make your own cough syrup at home, which is super effective for both adults and children. And this is from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology. You only need 2 ingredients. First, honey. Honey is rich in minerals, enzymes, B vitamins, prebiotic, antioxidants, and propolis, a powerful natural antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral. Second, fresh onion. Onions contain sulfur and allin, which is a natural antimicrobial and helps to improve your immune system. Now place some thin sliced onion into a jar and add twice the amount of honey. Close the bottle and leave it for at least 7 to 8 hours. Then move the onion slices to the side and press down with a spoon. Your cough syrup is ready. Now take 1 teaspoon every couple of hours and see magic happen. Share this with your friends and family, and let's all become healthy naturally, and follow me for more such interesting content.